Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin on the Xbox, power it on, and open the Microsoft account sign-in page in the Microsoft Edge browser. Sign in using the Outlook email tied to your Xbox profile. You may need the current password or a verification code. Once signed in, navigate to Security Password Change options. Make sure two-step verification prompts are ready on your phone or email because Microsoft may require one additional code. Once done, proceed to the account password change flow to set a new password. You now execute the password change itself. Choose Change Password in Security. Enter your current password when prompted, then type a strong new password. Use at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols for safety. Make sure you retype it exactly in the confirmation field and read any on-screen rules. If Microsoft asks for a verification code, retrieve it from your phone or alternate email and enter it promptly. Once accepted, the system will update credentials and sign you out of some devices for security. Finish by signing back into your Xbox profile using the new Outlook password. Make sure saved email settings update and games or subscriptions reconnect. Update other devices and apps where the Microsoft account is used to avoid lockouts. If you're asked to re-verify purchases or subscriptions, follow prompts to confirm identity. Troubleshooting tip: if verification codes fail or you can't access the recovery email, start Microsoft account recovery from the Xbox browser. Provide as much account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.